Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to redeem promo code on Audible. So the first thing I'd like you to do, which is very important and necessary, is that you create an Audible account. So how do you create an Audible account? Very simple. Launch in a browser of your choice, and once you do that, in the search bar of your browser, type audible.com. It's going to take you to the official website for Audible. Right there, follow the on-screen prompt to create your account, and once you don't create your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time. Now let's hop into today's tech, which is how to redeem promo code on Audible. Pretty simple. You can now redeem it right here in the Audible website. All right, so you have to open up this promo code website, which you have to type in your search bar. Here is the of course the the address, all right, that the URL that you have to enter into your search bar, audible.com/ep/acx hyphen, then you have your redemption question mark BP, okay, and then you have, so all this right here, so all of this right here, you can even like just write it out somewhere and then enter it, and once you do, that's going to take you right here into this promo code. So that's like your underscores or and all stuff. So it takes you right here into this promo code website, which is actually different from Audible, but then as you can see, it's integrated into Audible because I still have my account signed in. So right here, all you need to do is to enter your code. So once you've gotten your code from ACX or wherever you get your code from, go ahead and enter your code here. Once you enter your code here, this redeem button is going to be enabled, so click on redeem, and once you click on redeem, then the book, it's going to take you to a window where it says, now you've successfully redeemed this book, you can now start listening. So go ahead and click on listen and enjoy your book. This is how exactly you can redeem your promo code on Audible. So you can go watch the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you're good to go. I hope this video helped you search.